Doctors do not always get it right, but you shouldn't be left to suffer when they don't. Please stop scrolling if you are in perimenopause or if someone you care about is currently going through perimenopause. What I'm about to tell you is incredibly important and it impacts you directly. We had a patient this morning that was in her 40s that had a complete hysterectomy over 10 years ago, and the only hormone support that she was offered was birth control. We had another patient yesterday that had a complete hysterectomy in her 30s, and when she started experiencing symptoms very soon after her surgery, her provider looked at her and told her that it couldn't be hormonal because she wouldn't go through menopause until she was in her 50s. I'm completely at a loss for words at this point. These are just two examples in the last 24 hours of complete medical incompetence and gaslighting that we hear from our perimenopause and menopause patients every single day. Hysterectomy aside, that's not really relevant to the point that I'm trying to make, but it has become alarmingly clear that most doctors are completely clueless when it comes to women's hormone health. As if we didn't already know that already, but this is especially true when we are talking about perimenopause and menopause. If you have ever expressed concern about any symptoms that you're experiencing to your doctor and they've brushed you off or told you that your labs look normal, I want to desperately encourage you to seek out a second opinion. Doctors do not always get it right, but you shouldn't be left to suffer when they don't. If you are in the US and you suspect that you may be going through perimenopause or menopause, we would be more than happy to work with you. I do not care how old you are. I don't care if you are on birth control or if you have an IUD. I don't care if you've had a hysterectomy. I do not care what the circumstances are. You deserve answers. If you're interested in working with us, you can go to the link in my bio to book a call directly with my team. I need you to know that you deserve so much more than the bare minimum.